The 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Chrysler has made a massive splash at the 2016 North American International Auto Show in Detroit with its all-new Pacifica minivan. Slated to replace the long-toothed town and country minivan for the 2017 model year, the Pacifica boasts several innovations on top of its good looks and swanky new interior. Leading headlines is the hybrid version. Not only is this a first for Chrysler, but it's the first hybrid system found in a minivan. The addition of the hybrid powertrain should help Chrysler clinch sales. The hybrid market is growing, but the choices of vehicles is limited. Families growing out of their Prius or Volt should find the Pacifica's available 8-passenger seating most spacious. FCA is quick to point out the addition of the hybrid's batteries does not impede interior space or cargo room. Sadly though, hybrid owners will have to give up their stow-and-go second-row seats. Chrysler spent considerable attention to the Pacifica's new looks. The minivan ditches the old, tired looks of the outgoing town and country for something more modern and fresh. The corporate design language is clearly seen in the front while everything rearward enjoys all new shapes. This is done in hopes of lessening the stigma of driving a minivan. The crossover SUV segment is hot these days, driven by people who don't want to be seen as a professional parent. The Pacifica might not single-handedly change that, but it should win over a handsome number of buyers. Let's dive into what makes the Pacifica Hybrid tick and its differences from the standard Pacifica. Continue reading to learn more about the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Exterior: the 2017 Pacifica is a looker. It might not be a fastback coupe, but it's one of the better minivan designs on the market, or at least it will be once it hits showrooms in the fall of 2016. Up front, the Pacifica wears a grille and headlight design shared by the Chrysler 200 sedan. Up front, the Pacifica wears a grille and headlight design shared by the Chrysler 200 sedan. A swoopy upper grille flows into the headlights while the lower grille does the same with the fog lights. Chrome bezels brighten up the design, along with the chrome Chrysler badge. Opting for the Pacifica Hybrid changes a few things. The easiest to spot is the bespoke grille slats. The horizontal shape helps imply a look of fluidity and aerodynamics, making the van look more streamlined and organic. A set of hybrid exclusive 18-inch wheels with low rolling resistance tires furthers the hybrid identification. Lastly, if you see the silver teal pearl paint, as seen on the van above, it's a hybrid. That paint scheme is only available on the hybrid. The Pacifica othersize carries the same looks as the standard van. The LED daytime running lights up front and taillights out back help highlight the modern design. Interior: like the outside, not much is different within the van's confines. Obviously, as you read before, the biggest difference is the absence of Chrysler's well-loved stow-and-go seats. Opting for the hybrid drivetrain necessitates the storage of the lithium-ion battery back below the floorboards, eliminating the storage bins the stow-and-go seats would tumble into. Nevertheless, the Pacifica doesn't lose any interior volume or cargo space. The hybrid version still sports the all-new dashboard, infotainment screen, and center console. The hybrid version still sports the all-new dashboard, infotainment screen, and center console. The swoopy lines continue, created by high-end materials stitched together with French seams and accented by aluminum trim pieces. The center stack now features FCA's popular rotary gear knob in place of the bulky gated shifter from the Town & Country, along with the highly regarded 8.4-inch Uconnect infotainment system. Simplistic yet fully functional HVAC controls allows for quick adjustments. Down low, storage bins help keep things organized, while USB ports allow for device charging and media transfer. Ordering the optional DVD system includes a Blu-ray player. The driver has a use of a beautiful TFT display screen between the analog gauges within the instrument cluster. The screen gives vehicle information and redundant infotainment system info. Drivetrain: the system gives the Pacifica an impressive all-electric range of roughly 30 miles. Now to the meat and potatoes of the Pacifica Hybrid, its drivetrain. The minivan utilizes a similar 3.6-liter Pentastar gasoline V6 engine as the non-hybrid version, but it uses different technology to help improve efficiency. The cooled exhaust gas recirculation and the two-step valve lift from the non-hybrid engine are gone, replaced by an Atkinson combustion cycle. Electric power comes from a 16 kW lithium-ion battery pack. The system gives the Pacifica an impressive all-electric range of roughly 30 miles. Once the battery is depleted, the gasoline engine takes over, extending the driving range by several hundred miles. Refueling is as simple as pulling into any gas station. Recharging the batteries, on the other hand, takes a plug-in adapter. Still, with a Level 2 system, the batteries are fully charged in roughly 2 hours. The engine is connected to FCA's innovative new electrically variable transmission. It features 2 electronic motors that are mated to the engine via a planetary gear set with a one-way clutch. That clutch allows the engine to act as both a drive engine or as a generator, depending on several parameters. Power is sent to the front wheels. These improvements, plus the hybrid system, help the Pacifica Hybrid earn an FCA estimated 80 mpg in the city. Several Drivetrain Specifics came from an Autoblog interview with FCA's Kevin Metz, safety. Like the standard Pacifica, the Pacifica Hybrid comes brimming with safety features. A new 360-degree camera system makes parking and reversing easier, as does an automatic low-speed braking function should something approach the van. There's also ParkSense parallel and perpendicular park assist features for navigate into tight spots. Adaptive cruise control with stop and hold functions, along with lane departure warning and lane sense, make the Pacifica nearly autonomous, though it technically doesn't drive itself. Forward collision warning plus acts to warn the driver should they not brake in time before hitting an object. If the driver fails to respond, the brakes are automatically applied, helping to prevent a crash. Blind spot monitoring is also standard. Prices: Chrysler has yet to announce official pricing of the 2017 Pacifica, but we can fully expect costs to increase over last year's Town & Country. The 2016 T&C carried a starting price in the $29,000 range, so expect the Pacifica to start in the low $30,000 to $31,000 range. Opting for the hybrid will add more to the bottom line, with the MSRP likely listing at $34,000 or $35,000. We'll bring you the official pricing once FCA makes the announcement closer to the Pacifica's on-sale date in the fall of 2016. Competition: Honda Odyssey. Honda is currently developing its replacement for the current Odyssey minivan, due out alongside the Pacifica for the 2017 model year. There's no solid news on the updated Odyssey, but rumors suggest the van will be more high-end, tailored to upper-middle-class families with a leather-lined interior and other niceties coming standard. As for its powertrain, Honda could very well add a hybrid system to compete against the Pacifica. Regardless, the van will likely come powered by the latest version of Honda's ubiquitous 3.5-liter IVTEC V6 and 6-speed automatic transmission. Read our full review on the Honda Odyssey here. Kia Sedona. The Kia is still fresh, coming off its latest complete redesign for 2015. The minivan takes a decidedly upmarket approach, incorporating a stylish exterior that matches Kia sedans, while the interior is ripe with nice materials and optional reclining second-row seats. The Kia comes powered by a 3.3-liter V6 that makes 276 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque. There are 5 trim levels to choose from, with prices starting at $26,400 and cresting into the low $40,000. Sadly, Kia does not currently offer a hybrid version, though the automaker could have something in the works. Read our full review on the Kia Sedona here. Conclusion: the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica and his hybrid drivetrain is a very welcomed addition to Chrysler's portfolio. This is the first application of a hybrid drivetrain in a minivan, so the market interest should be high, especially when combined with the van's all-new appearance inside and out. Growing families, retired folks, and perhaps even small businesses or limousine fleets that need the extra fuel economy combined with the large passenger compartment should love the Pacifica Hybrid. Of course, costs will be higher with the hybrid compared to the standard, gas-powered Pacifica. However, those spending a lot of time in inner-city traffic should be able to offset costs within a reasonable amount of time. Specifics on those numbers can't be had until the EPA releases its findings on fuel economy and FCA releases pricing. Nevertheless, the 2017 Pacifica Hybrid seems to be a home run. It'll be interesting to watch its sales numbers once it hits showrooms in the fall of 2016. Love its sharp new design, classy interior, estimated 80 mpg city with hybrid system. Leave it hybrid batteries. Delete stow and go seats will be more expensive than non-hybrid Pacifica.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.